tools that we use are really kind of built and made for the braces. Really get in between the brackets, behind the label bars, behind the bars of the braces. It's actually good to come in more frequently than 6 months, especially if you have, if you're an adult and you only have bigger teeth than the kids, right?
I do have bigger teeth than kids.
Yeah.
My orthodontist said I have big teeth, so.
Okay.
I don't know why he said that. He's like, you have big teeth. Like, okay.
Okay. You picked yellow for the colors, huh?
Nope.
Oh.
They're white.
No,
and they change after 2 days.
No. I'm saying like the rubber bands.
They're white.
Stop.
They're supposed to be white. I know, it's sad.
Okay.
I know.
You know what? Some great colors you can pick to make your teeth brighter.
Right.
So blue, if you pick blue, that'll make your teeth brighter. But
Oh.
your teeth are pretty bright.
Blue makes it brighter. Okay.
Yeah. We've got some stains as well. Have you noticed the stains more?
Yeah, because I started drinking Spindrift Blackberry again.
Oh my God.
That's the reason why. I'm gonna stop drinking that stuff.
Okay, yeah.
That's the reason why.
So I don't know if you noticed, but stains are plaque retentive. When you've got stains, you're gonna have plaque right on top of
Okay.
it. On top of the on top of the braces and the brackets. So I definitely stay away from anything that could stain your teeth.
Okay.
Especially right now too. Definitely going to be tough to completely remove the stains at every visit, but that's why you're coming in every 3 months to get your teeth cleaned versus 6 months, because those stains are actually tenacious. Was it blueberries, blackberry, what did you say it was?
Yeah.
A little bit of both, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you drink coffee as well? Oh, so all the blueberries and blackberries. Sometimes dark chocolate too gets stained.
Oh.
Yeah. like flavor, but if you like bubble gum, I can do bubble gum as well.
I would love bubble gum.
Okay, yeah, no, you
Let's
got
do
it.
bubble gum.
Alright, let's do bubble gum.
You know what, bubble gum? I have forgotten you.
Yeah.
We're still friends.
I know. How's the bubble gum so far?
Oh yeah, it tastes good. That was a good choice.
Yeah. You picked it. Pink. Bubble gum flavored. Watch out for that. And then I'm just gonna grab also a flosser that works well with the braces. Let me see.
Cool.
One end of it is flat, so it's like one of those placards that you've seen at the store. You just go in. You're able to go behind the bars.
Mm.
Like that, okay? I really don't like these as much because I definitely like to clean in between.
Right.
You don't want to reintroduce bacteria over and over again
Yeah.
around the mouth. So good and bad with these.